Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a video using pictures and video clips. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app. Next, tap on the templates option in the bottom panel. Here, you'll see many video templates. Browse through them and tap on any template you like. Once the template opens, tap on the Use Template button. Your gallery will now open, showing the photos and videos stored on your device. Select the pictures and video clips that you want to use in your video. After selecting them, tap on Next. CapCut will automatically apply the template effects, transitions, and music to your selected media. Wait a few moments while the video is generated. Once the video is ready, preview it to make sure everything looks the way you want. If you're satisfied with the result, tap on the Export button. CapCut will process the video and save it to your device. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.